Uklik du jong kajinya slok kiranium solution haka pertai. Ufada Angel Artyom Fernandez beri Director Major. Haka arpupra ba arp kenai tarik menai Oktober ulawan menjengok ya ke Nongbah. Si bentang kejing syakot sungpa balapan benar dan menteri rangba ke jela ukon rat sama. Bar banyok punya slok lu bagi kon samla ke jela ki ba pulih hagi bentang ba per. Kebelalong St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ha kejing keren jengu ulong bagi cakap pulih nalor kejing kai bagi ai si kon samla. Ha kejing opor ki deiru bersyak skor bat sengap ya kejing pesengau jengki. Kenang bekenang ngap ha kino kejing belin basniu bat ki balak wan penjat ya kejing im jengki. Ha kata kisi kon samla ki labo ya katto kat ni kejing keli ha kamat jengu ha keba nak kaliang jengu laju bab sya ya man la kawai pakawai kejing keli. Haba keli halor kejing penyasok jengu sya kejing slok solution jong Donbosco ufada Angel ulong wa umsyum la poi perkat bon long dekot jong kata kejing slok tat anda ulak puli buat ke solution. Anda ulak puli buat ki kelak ketik ya kejing muncul perkat jengu kamtam ha baidai bergakam jengki. Kemta ulak rai bain dan menta ha ketika kenhon hadim ulak yuk jingbet nak kemi kipa. Kejing don jengu bat kiranium solution kapat ni berumlong marwai bat ulak don bat ki menta lap sau post nem. Ha ketika sini lak senalang ufada dufada Horazio beri SDB ringkat kiwe-kiwe kelingdo bat la pesnguru baklem ublei umla banem bat uju khamsong tanat ni khamjan bha bagi kon samla ufada Angel la banjoru halor gajing dan kam jagi kon samla banyak keren banyak mer jingmut baki kimi kipa ha keju kapor ulong syaki baki deiru ban pesung thu yala ki kimi kipa ke e baki dan hapo jengki kenang baki kimi kipa kin sung thu kambha halor gajing kerni kejing di drugs ufada Angel la banram baki te ke barok ki wanja lada umdan manu-manuru ba ai mensim ki kon samla. Ha juga por Director Major la kerpat iki para nong syarai banyak snok tilang banyak perkhat lang barbanwan ikilat kelinti na benta kejing tinju bagi kon samla ki akendu. Kindiat Jepang Father Angel. Father Angel di belak syajid aga solution General Chapter ke ba arpunyo como Director Major jangki solution men ha ka arp sau tarik banai demang senam ajakat sau. Ulalong Nongmih Bujli ba sipau jong Donbosco bakod bat unong Spain baning kong kumju balai na kito ki bomday kinong Italy banlong Director Major hag history jong solution.
So yeah, move your hands, clap your hands, come on, clap your hands together, clap your hands, come on, wave now, yes. Do your action also. Let there be love, let there be peace, let there be hope in the power of God. Let there be love, let there be peace, let there be hope in the power of God.
Father, what made you become a Salesian priest? Who is your role model and why?
My name is Rikinti Walang and I belong to Iuhkjat Memorial Higher Secondary School. Father, do you think we should follow our parents' footsteps or build our own destiny? Don't you think we should think critically and question our parents when it comes to our life's goal?
Io sarò molto breve nelle risposte,
I will be very short with my responses,
anche al rischio di essere superficiale,
also at the risk of being superficial.
però per non stancare a questi tantissimi giovani.
I have tried my best not to make you all tired.
Allora, perché sono oggi salesiano?
Why am I a Salesian today?
Non lo pensavo per niente nella mia vita.
I never thought about this in my life.
Soltanto ho studiato con i salesiani.
I started studying with the Salesians,
E dopo
and after
sentivo nel mio cuore che quello che avevano fatto con noi come educatori mi piaceva.
after having studied with the Salesians, it struck me that whatever they did for us as children, the Salesians, was actually very impressive.
E sentivo che dovevo risolvere questa questo che sentivo dentro di me.
See, he was so impressed by the Salesians that he also wanted to be part of this group.
I genitori mi hanno detto il permesso
The parents gave him permission,
e ho cominciato
and I started
a scoprire la vita salesiana
to discover the Salesian life.
e ho scoperto 3 cose molto belle.
I discovered 3 things.
Senza Dio io non posso vivere.
Without God, I cannot live. First thing.
Secondo, mi sento sempre di più felice in mezzo ai giovani.
I feel more happy amidst the young people of today.
Terzo, mi dà una grande fortezza non sentirmi da solo.
Being with Salesians, it makes me feel so happy that I am not alone.
Vuol dire avere i miei confratelli, le mie consorelle.
I have my Salesian brothers and the Salesian sisters.
E per questo sono salesiano da 40 anni già.
And because of this, I am a Salesian for 40 years. Condemned people does not often help us.
E Papa Francesco ci dice, io lo vedo, carissimi giovani, io vi invito anzitutto al rispetto tra di voi.
The Pope Francis says very often, dear young people, I expect you, I ask you to respect each other.
Che non significa accettare tutte le maniere di vivere.
That does not mean that you accept all modes of living.
Che non significa che io debba essere d'accordo con il modo di attuare di altre persone.
It does not mean accepting the other person does not mean that you accept all their ways of doing things.
Olé, el trigo entre todas las flores ha encontrado una amapola y yo conozco a mi Dolores, Dolores, Lolita, Lola.
A very good evening to everyone present here. I'm just gonna speak in Italian. More? Okay. Buonasera, caro Rettore Maggiore. È davvero un onore averti qui tra noi oggi. Grazie per essere venuti, che aver visitato la nostra provincia di Shillong. Noi una Sant'Antonio presenteremo una canzone nel nome della canzone Itiarput Tiartem. Speriamo che vi piaccia. I hope you all like it.
I am very much a part of the Salesian family. And I think most of you know it, but I think the young students out here may not know that my father, late P.A. Sangma, was brought up by the Salesians. And it is them who shaped his life. It is them who made him who he was. And after what he became in life, it was he who guided me in the same principles to become whatever I could in my life till now, and will keep guiding me in whatever I will do in the future to come. So the Salesians have a lot to contribute to what our family is today, especially obviously my father, and especially my brothers and my sisters and our entire family. So this is also a great moment for me to be here today and witness this day in front of our Rector Major of Donbosco to be here. And I will also always remember this for a very, very long time. All our youths are talented. It is how we shape them. And today the Salesians have proved, not just here, but to the whole world, on how they can shape the young generation and the young minds. My dear students, the reason I'm telling you this is you should realize how fortunate and how lucky you are. God has blessed you and given you this opportunity to be guided by such wonderful teachers, by such wonderful leaders, by such wonderful fathers and sisters, that today you are most probably in the best hands possible in the world. So you must thank God Almighty for this. You must thank your parents for this. And you must thank the Salesians for this great opportunity.